Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to our restaurant. Please have a seat.
Good afternoon. Thank you.
Okay. Here is our menu, ma'am. What would you like, eat or drink?
I would like a coffee, please.
One coffee is coming right now. Please have a seat, ma'am.
Thank you.
Here is your coffee, ma'am. Please enjoy it.
Thank you. Waiter. Waiter.
Yes, ma'am. Is there any problem?
Who made this coffee?
I'm extremely sorry, ma'am. There is any problem?
I again asked you, who made this coffee?
I'm really sorry, ma'am. Is there any problem? Please tell me. I will fix it right now.
No. Why are you saying sorry?
Then, ma'am,
The coffee is amazing. It is a best coffee I ever had.
oh, your word make me happy. Thank you so much, ma'am. Are you really liked it, ma'am?
Yes, I not like it. I loved it.
Thank you. Please sit, ma'am. I take your bill. Here is your bill, ma'am.
Thank you. It's your bill and your extra tips.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Please come again our restaurant. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.